Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually going to be doing testing on this adhesive eyeliner with lashes on, guys, and this is from Glam Manicare. I'll be doing a word test on these lashes throughout the day to find out how they're actually performing. They're actually going to last longer throughout the day, or are they actually going to start to come off? To my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Find out to see if this is actually worth getting or not, and that way you'll be able to save some money. Please keep on watching. Did first impressions and review on these lashes here from Glam Manicare, and so if you guys haven't watched this video yet, I will link the video down the description box below or somewhere on the screen. It's actually retail for $34.99, and Glam Manicare, they actually do ship overseas, and you actually purchase this from Priceline or from Chemist Warehouse, and it is actually up to 30 uses. It has a flexible felt tip, and it's actually quick and easy to use, reusable and cruelty free, hypoallergenic as well. It's actually a built-in liner, so you actually don't need to put a liner. And the other thing too, you actually don't need to wait to put the lashes on. So as soon as you've applied the adhesive liner, you're actually set to go and apply the lashes straight away. So this is great if you actually are beginners in applying lashes. So make sure that you shake the pen first. Applicator, it's actually very easy to use. You know how easy it is to apply. You just need a tweezer, and that's it. You actually don't need to wait to dry it up. So time check is 12 past 10. You know, we're gonna find out to see if this lash is actually going to last throughout the day, or is it just for a short period of wear time. So I'll see you guys soon. Check, guys, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. I've actually been wearing this now for over 5 hours, so my eyes are actually a little bit teary today, guys, so I need to check my inner corner and my outer corner. There's definitely no smudging happening, very minimal detaching happening, guys, on my inner corner and also on my outer corner. It's actually been sitting pretty well at the moment, guys. I'm not actually going to reapply the adhesive liner. I'm just gonna have to leave it as it is. It's just a very small amount of detaching happening, so it's also not noticeable, only when you actually look into the magnifying mirror. I will continue wearing these lashes for the rest of the night, and we will find out together to see how they're actually progressing. So I'll see you guys soon. So time check, guys, it's 10:30 at night. So I've actually been wearing these lashes on now for about 10.5 hours away. There's actually not much difference from the last time I've actually checked in. The same as just a tiny bit of detachment on my inner corner and also on my outer corner. See if they're actually you can actually reapply this again. Happy how these lashes turned out, guys, and how they have actually lasted longer. So first, I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out. If you haven't, this is definitely a thumbs up for me. And you know, it's actually easy to use. They actually last longer as well. I mean, I can't really remember how many times I've used these, but today is actually my first time to actually wear them for longer than 4 hours wear. So I actually did ending up buying more, and this time it's a different style. So this is actually the length by Ava Nicole, and this is the natural which is the Ella Rose. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today. And please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.